Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Windows mouse pointer shadow feature on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it isn't as difficult. All you need to do is search for performance in the Windows search bar, and there will be an option that as appearance versus performance. Okay, I typed it wrong. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now you'll notice one thing that as well as in the default settings, there is a checkbox named show shadow under mouse pointer. It is unchecked, so we need to check it and then click on apply and then on OK, and then there will be a shadow under the mouse pointer, though it will not be visible everywhere, but it will be more visible at places. Okay, if I try to run it fast, you'll notice it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.